We got something in the mail today. Guess what it could be? Well, I may have shown it to you already, but let's open up the box and check out the packing job that this eBay seller did. I really love it when the blue tape is used. Okay, we're getting close to the center of the Tootsie Roll. And there it is. Look at it. It's a Robeson robot fan. Its arms come out as if to like say, I am going to get you. You are mine. Let's see if it works. We're going to take the tape off that. Look, plug is in complete order. I love it. Let's plug it in. Light comes on. Fan comes on. Yeah. Bow to me. Nope. Okay, that's all right. Let's turn that. Oh, it isolates too. Come take me to your leader. All right. This is looking really good. Let's take a look at the, one of the eyes seems to be off. This one is illuminated, right? Oh, that one's not. All right. Well, then what does it say on the back about this? Let's take a peek back there. Unplug it, right? Hazard. Is that how you spell hazard? I don't think it is. This is kind of odd. All right, we'll unplug it. We'll take the screws off of his head, and we're going to take a look inside. And there, oh, it's got this little piece of plastic. We'll keep that. Keep it vintage. This bulb is loose. Okay, come on. I think maybe that this is going to be the easiest fix ever. Let's put some power on. Yeah, and it works. We're geniuses. This is great. All right, well then let's clean the bulbs out, the little light bulbs. I don't know, light bulbs. All right, it's working. Look at that. And we're using water when we do this. We're not going to use any kind of cleanser like a Windex. Just water and a paper towel because this is a old vintage 1986 robot fan. And, you know, they get a little brittle if they've been out in the sun. So you got to like take care of it and kind of baby it a little bit. Here we are cleaning the gills. Is that what you call these? I don't know. Somebody correct me in the comments. And yeah, so I want this thing to look really nice. We're going to probably put it on a Wi-Fi plug. Maybe that'll be kind of cool. I know I found one inside of the Crystal Castle. Clean under his armpits. Arms still... I didn't know it articulated like that. What? That's cool, bro. Okay, so here we go. We're giving his left side a good rubbing. That's what she said. Okay, I got to throw one in every video. That's what my friends are telling me. All right, we're almost clean. Looks like we got this here. And where we're going to put it? We're going to put it by the fireplace, I'll bet. That'll be a good spot. There's a nice little space there. All right, guys, this is looking really good. We've got it all cleaned up. 1986 Robo-Fan, robot fan by Robeson. Probably as seen on TV. Who knows, right? I don't know. Does he look like he wants to take over the world? I think he does. Pretty sure.